所以 for animals.
Do you believe she connects everything? The bright skies, the birds and trees. Her breath, it is what keeps us alive. And now she's hurting, can you help us make her stronger? We gotta care for the world we see. She's gotta breathe. We gotta take responsibility. She's gotta breathe, breathing life into the world. Breathing life into the
just a few years. Each and every day nature disappears. Behind the mountains, the air is heavy. The pressure's growing and we can't wait any longer. And now she's hurting and we gotta make her stronger. We gotta care for the world we see. She's gotta breathe. And she's so precious, we all have to believe. She's gotta breathe, breathe her life into her, breathe her life into the world. Breathing life into the world. Breathing life into the world.
Open up your heart now and give what you wanna give, planting the seeds of the world.
Breathing life into the world.
What do you think about all this destruction?
I don't know. Does it even affect me?
I know it's hard to believe that cutting down trees affects the water and the air that we breathe.
But when I look around me, everything looks fine.
Well, you may think so, but it's just a matter of time. That there is no solution for the pollution, overusing and abusing the natural resources we're losing.
Escucha mi canto a través de su voz. Siente el pulso en la raíz madre. Respira conmigo.
Imagine a world with clean air. Ozone gap closed up, we don't fare. She brings life to all things. You and me, see, we gotta believe. Each one of us, yeah, we can make change. No need to point fingers, no need to point blame. One seed, one tree, one life. Breathe.
We gotta care for the world we see.
She's gotta breathe. Breathing life into the world. Breathing life into the world. Open up your heart now and give what you want. And now she's suffering, we gotta make her stronger. Together we are gonna make you believe.